we're doing an update garden video. So I'm going to show you guys how we're doing over here. Over on the end there we have the celery, and look at that, it is just really growing. We were talking about harvesting some of it pretty soon, but I don't think the stalks are quite big enough. We're going to get there. But then we have the cabbage. Now the cabbage is getting crazy big heads. And then we've got cauliflower. Now guys, I don't know what's going on with the cauliflower, but it's just not producing anything. It's got these big old leaves and not a single thing. We got one head of cauliflower out of this group. Anyway, I don't know what's going on with that, but the broccoli's doing good. It's ready for another harvest already. And we got to do some blanching of that. But then we've got our carrots, which are doing great too. They're just not quite big enough yet. And the beets. Now I've already done a little tiny thing of pickled beets. There's not very many yet, but they're getting pretty good size. And then our onions, and they're getting really tall, but their heads are still not growing very big. Hi. Our peas are really growing. Most of them are the pod peas, and we're definitely getting a bunch of those. We've done a couple of pints of the pod peas already. But these guys over here are the sugar peas, and look at how big they are. They're just growing all over the place, and because of the wind and stuff, it's just blowing over crazy. We need a bigger trellis next. Anyway, next in line we have the tomatoes, and obviously these are our little Roma guys, but look at, they're doing really good. Hopefully within the next couple of weeks we'll have some real beautiful red ones that we can can up and do. I wanted to show you some of these tomatoes. We showed you the Romas already, but look at these guys. These guys are getting really beautiful. I'm very excited to see how big they are. Look at those over there. It's so exciting. The next thing we have is our peppers. And these guys are the poblanos, and they're doing pretty good. I kind of like the size of them. They're still getting the little buds on them. And then we've got the jalapenos down there. Those are going to be so nice. And they're getting pretty good size too. We're going to have to start thinking about pulling them pretty soon. But then we have these silly little green peppers. Like, look at this silly little plant. It's got one big old pepper on it. And then we've got the cucumbers, which we have talked about. We've done several pickle recipes with those cucumbers, and it looks like we need to harvest some again tonight. Because look at this guy. They're already getting pickle size. Over here we have our zucchini, and they're doing really good too. We've had a bunch of zucchinis from that. There might even be some in there yet. I don't see any yet, but they're getting the flowers. Then after our zucchini plants here, we have our watermelon here. And these are kind of exciting. I did harvest one off and it wasn't quite ready yet, but this is about the size it was. And that's the only size they're going to get to be, I think. They just need to get riper, which is okay. We've got a few of them. That'll be fun. And then my sunflowers, which are fully almost 5 feet tall. I'm 5'2", so these guys are the same height as I am. And then through there, we've got our big old pumpkin patch, which is just taking over the entire garden. It feels like it's just taking over. But look here, we've got some fun adventure here. Look at these pumpkins. Look at that. That is so beautiful. And it's green. Look how green it is on the bottom. These are those volunteer ones. There's that big green one right back there. They're coming from the same plant. So I'm interested to see what they do this year. It's going to be a fun little hybrid plant. So this is our corn. It's so tall. We've got two different kinds here. One's a sweet corn and one's a Jubilee corn. They're starting to get their ears. Look at this. There's one here. There's a few just starting down here. There's one there. It's very fun to watch them grow. See all this stuff from the ground up. It's very exciting. Anyway, that's our garden. That's all of our garden. It's getting really big. Love it. So remember we posted about the blueberries that we'd planted. This is what they look like now. And they are just chock full of berries. We have already gotten some. Here's a couple. They're a little green on the backside, but they are so yummy. And we've already harvested almost a whole quart off of this. And that isn't even a third of what we've got here. So we're gonna be doing freezing, and I'm gonna try to do some maybe syrup or something, and maybe we'll make some pies. We were thinking like a hybrid apple blueberry pie might be delicious, because we also have some apples that we're going to show you in a little bit. But as you can see, there's still quite a few. We picked a whole bunch last night, but look, there's still several that are coming in right now, and I'm super excited. There's just so much fruit on these berry bushes. But we found that a good way to keep our yard cleaned of these dead apples, so we get them off the ground. And the cows just love them. Their tongues are really, really rough. And sometimes when they get a little antsy to have an apple, they reach out and it scrapes my hand. Hi.